Taking over here, Andre Santos! Oh, that's a confident take. But this is why you do it, because things like this happen from it. Jamie Gittins, tight angle, tap in, Tyreek George.
Good
Nicked, brilliantly stolen. Andre Santos did so well. Estevao is a star. He really is. Yeah, Buonanotte, that was an easy pass and he got it all wrong. Tolua Rokadare pulls one back for Wolves. Mosquera hurls it in there. That's a bit of a slice, it's dropped here for Wolves. Muller! It's game on now, all right. David Muller-Wolf. Well, that's worked out nicely for Gins. Oh, what a goal!
What a hit.
That is an outrageous finish. Tell you what, the overload's nearly worked here. Agbadoui's down a bit, look out. It's 4-3.